their job's over now for today. This next section is meet and greet. It's where we invite everybody to turn around to the neighbours, say hello to somebody you've never met before, and have a quick conversation with them. So, go, you got 2 minutes.